In this video, we're going to talk about hobbies. Hobbies are really important in our lives because when we're not working, we're doing other things. And these other things are generally or hopefully fun. And that's what we call a hobby. So we're going to learn how to express that in English, how to ask that, and then how to respond to someone who has told you their hobbies. Are you ready? Let's begin. So we're going to use the present tense that we learned in the last video to express our hobbies. Hopefully by the end of this video, I'll learn a few of your hobbies as you will write them in the comments below. So how do we ask about people's hobbies? Here are a few variations or a few ways to ask someone. What are your hobbies? What do you like doing in your spare time? Now, spare means free. So, what do you like doing in your free time? Which sports do you play? Which types of books do you read? And what types of movies do you like to watch? So those questions that we've just offered are more specific. Here is a more general question. What do you like to do when you're not working? All right, now let's look at some of the ways to answer those questions. Again, using present simple, like, I like soccer and reading. Enjoy. I enjoy badminton and Nintendo. Love. I love riding my bike. Have as a sort of descriptive verb, I have two main hobbies, cricket and yoga. And then we have more formal replies, or less common, perhaps. The first one is responding directly to the question, what are your hobbies? My hobbies are weightlifting and hiking. And here's a more advanced way of answering that question. When I am not working, I play baseball and chess. Or an even more advanced construction for those ambitious out there. When I am not working, you can find me playing baseball and chess. What can I find you doing when you're not working or when you're not studying? Tell me in the comments below about your hobbies and try to use one of the constructions that we've been rehearsing or practicing in this video. Now let's look at some of the responses to the questions that others have answered. I like soccer and reading. Oh, great. Me too. Or, I also like them. I enjoy badminton and Nintendo. Interesting. I want to try them. I have two main hobbies, cricket and yoga. I never tried cricket, but I want to. That sentence is more difficult because we have a past simple verb tried. If you don't like a hobby, you can express it this way. So someone says, I like soccer and reading. And you can reply, I also like reading, but I don't like soccer. Don't means do not. What are your hobbies? I've asked you a few times during this short video. Tell me in the comments, use the constructions and the verbs that we've introduced in this video, and I'll see you next week.